morning, everybody. We're outside this morning. It is 35 degrees out, something like that. Got in the 20s last night, and we're gonna do some cold starts today. We're gonna see how well that starts up. It's not been plugged in. It started up pretty well last time. We're gonna start the Corvette up. We're gonna put it in the garage, and then I'm gonna grab the lawnmower and take that on down to my brother's house, and maybe we'll get a video starting up his Duramax and see who starts up better when it's kind of cold out. It's not really all that bad, but anyway, let's get to it. Let's see how this thing starts up this morning. Get the keys out. Alright, he's got frost on the windshield. That's somewhat cold out. Alright.
I do want to cover on the shot too, since we're talking.
Alrighty, here we go. It was a little more eventful than last time. Last time we did that, it started right up. It did pretty good still this time. I haven't plugged it in yet this year. It hasn't been. I don't even know if the block heater works in that truck or not anymore. But maybe we'll have to start testing that out. Then we can make a lot of awesome cold start videos though. Anyway, let's see how that thing starts up. That hasn't been started up in a few weeks. I want to get it back in the garage because we got to fix that stupid water pump on it so we can get rid of that. So maybe we can buy something different. I'm gonna close the door. All right. Like I said, it's been a few weeks. Haven't ever had it started up yet where it's been this cold out with the idle where it's set at. It probably needs to be set up a little bit, but hopefully the battery's not dead. I don't think it is. Alright, we're in neutral. Well, that started up a lot better than I thought it would. Cool. Alright. Let's see if we can get this put in the garage without killing it. Go into reverse. Brake is off. Back up a little bit. Alright, that should be enough. Get the window to roll down here. Alright, let's see. Off. Let's do one more. Well, that was incredibly uneventful. Started right up like it wasn't anything. Alright. So this is my brother's truck. It's a 05 Duramax, lifted 6 inches. It's got 60, or well, it had 66,000 miles on it when he bought it. It's got I don't know, 75,000, 78,000 on it right now. It's only 2-wheel drive, crew cab, standard bed. It's obviously straight pipe, you can hear that. It's a super nice truck. I've actually been looking at some of these. When I talk about getting rid of the white truck possibly and selling the Corvette and just going to get a truck like this. But it is, you can't really see inside very well, but it's super clean inside. And you're not gonna be able to see because of the glare. $75,000 miles. I haven't really done many motor mods or anything to it at all. Let's see. It's not like, I don't know where the thing's even at to unlock it. There it is. Yep. So much quieter in the 7.3. So much less room in the 7.3. Oh, I can't barely reach the hood. Yep. That's it. Started up very well. Started up better than the white truck did. But it is also quite newer than the white truck. But thing's friggin' awesome. But anyways, I guess that's our cold start mania for the day. But thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, like, and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments below, you know, what kind of cold starts you guys are doing up there, how cold it's getting, and if you're having any troubles with your trucks. It's 30 in the 30s here, and I have no problems yet. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.